Hi guys. Last time I was running my Mitsubishi Pajero, there was a problem with the gearbox. Now this one has a manual high and low gear setting, but when it was running it was making some unpleasant noises. So I've got a nasty feeling that we've got some teeth missing. So we'll have a look. This is one of the ones that I've converted to hobby grade controls. Still the original motor and gearbox, but it's got a Flysky receiver, a metal gear servo for the steering, an ESC to drive the drive motor, and we were running it on a 3S LiPo. Right, we want to have a look in there at the gearbox. We can actually see the gears straight up in there. I think I can take the top off and we get a better look. You might be able to hear my dishwasher running in the background. That's the sort of humming noise. Right. So here's our gearbox. That's split. Let's see if we can do this with a close-up. There's the split. The black line up the middle. So that's what the problem is. I don't expect, I can put my finger in it, or my thumbnail anyway. I don't expect we've got much chance, oh, out of focus, of replacing that. That'll be annoying. That's a Mitsubishi motor. That's a good solid gear, that one. But that's our problem. Oh, there's a great split in that one as well. Where are we? Focus. Yeah, great big split in there as well. Oh, that's frustrating. Yeah, because that's supposed to be gripping on there. This slides side to side to change the high and low range. Probably that way around, isn't it? Yeah. So in that position, it's that gear and that gear. And you slide it across the other way, and it's the bigger gear and that gear. But yeah, I think we're out of luck there. There's not going to be an easy fix. Oh, what a shame. I did like that one. But the chances of actually getting replacement gears, I would say, were nil. Nil or less than nil. Although that's still interesting to see how the high and low range is selected. Well, actually, it's that bit that slides backwards and forwards. That's the one that gear goes on. So it's pretty low gear anyway to give it a fair bit of power. But well, the honest answer is that is effectively dead. I mean, you could leave it. Let's think this through. Yeah, that's the low range, or the lowest range. We could, hang on, it's that way round. We'd have to figure out some way of fixing that on the splines there. It might be possible to clamp it, put a small, well, could wind lots of wire around it tight, that might hold it, but then we'd lose the high and low range, which isn't the end of the world. It would still work, just only be one range. And with that one split, we'd only be using that one. Which is the faster. Yeah, okay, well I think I'll put that back in the junk pile for now and maybe resurrect it another day. That's the gear selector bit. Is that broken? Yeah, that's broken as well. On the positive side, that's quite a nice motor for the size of car. I wonder if that's the same size as the one that's in my Maisto Extreme Beast. I have an idea it's a... No, I don't remember. Thinking about it. Alright, well we'll put it back together. We know what's wrong with it. It's just going to be a little bit of a pain to try and fix it. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. And you might like to subscribe over there.